Some beautiful pictures of the young actors of the Pakistani drama industry. Raeed Muhammad Alam with his beautiful wife and son have gone viral on social media. He is currently winning people's hearts with his best performance in the Pakistani drama industry. And people love the work of this new talented actor. If we talk about the age of Raeed Muhammad Alam in the year 2021, then he is 32 years old. Now a lot of people thought they would still be single. But when he shared photos with his wife and children on his Instagram, people were surprised to see that he is also married. So the girls were very sad to see this. If we talk about the successful drama of Raeed Muhammad Alam, then he has done a great performance with actress Sabah Ali and Zubabrana in GOTV's super hit drama serial Fitrat. And the audience loved his performance with Faraya. He takes special care of exercise to keep himself fit and healthy. And if you look closely at his pictures, he looks like the younger brother of actor Bilal Abbas Khan. But in today's article, we will see some beautiful pictures of Raeed Muhammad Alam with his beautiful wife and son. Let us tell you one thing here, that his wife is not from showbiz. And looking at the pictures of the couple together, people are liking this couple a lot. So let's take a look at the beautiful pictures of Raeed Muhammad Alam's small family. In the comment section below, don't forget to tell us that did you know that Raeed Muhammad Alam was already married? Thanks.